You know, I've really studied attractiveness a lot and how you can look better. And when you boil it down, there's really only 7 areas that you can manipulate, that you can actually change that will make you look better. A great example of this is your jawline. This is like the place to start. If you really want to look more attractive, you have to bring symmetry to your face and add more angularity. You don't want it to look soft. You don't want it to look round. And the easiest way to chisel out the jawline is for you to lose fat. If you have excess amounts of body fat, it makes your face look smoother because it covers your bone structure and it gives you that round shape you're not looking for. It also looks uneven. As soon as you start cutting that body fat, you're gonna see that jawline start to come out. And if you wanna amp that up a bit, as you're losing weight, chew a lot of gum. Every single day, 2-3 times a day, make sure it's sugar-free gum. It's gonna be healthy for your teeth and it's gonna make your jawline muscles stronger and more prominent. Number 2, being tall. This one's so powerful for attractiveness, and I know what you're thinking. You said, Jose, you can control this. You can. See, for most of you, you're walking at least 1 to 2 inches shorter than you really are. If you were to have proper body posture, and I can prove it to you, look at this wall. Like most of you, this is how you walk. As soon as you straighten yourself out, you add an extra inch to your height. You wear the right sneakers, the right boots, you're adding another inch to your height. That's 2 free inches off the rip. And then if you really want to take it up a notch, get the right haircut. Get a haircut with a lot of volume. If you have curls or when you style your hair, get a little bit of oomph there. You're gonna get an extra inch on your hair, and off the rip, just from listening to me, overnight, you get 3 inches on your height. Number 3, smelling great. Yo, you do not understand that when it comes to attracting people, it's not just physical. You want to attract through all the senses. And if you're a man that always smells great, you're already winning. And it all starts with a shower in the morning. That's the mistake most men are making. Most men skip the shower in the morning, usually because they're in the rush to go out the door, and they shower at night. But what happens is that when you sweat all night with the dead skin, with the oils, with the dirt from the day, and you're rolling around on that, yo, you're going to smell musty. Doesn't matter what fragrance you put, what deodorant you put, you're always going to have that nasty underlying scent on your body. You have to start with a great shower. And that's my goal with Heat Grooming. With Heat Grooming, I want to deliver products that not only get you excited to shower, but make you smell amazing. Yo, our body wash, our shampoo, our conditioner are infused with oils from France that smell amazing, and now we're gonna change the game. Yo, we got our girl Billy coming through. I know you've seen her on TikTok, bro. She's been helping you out for the longest, looking great, how to get girls the whole night. Well, she's coming through because our new collection for Heat Grooming, she's handpicking out. She's designing everything from the scent, functionality, what we need to deliver to make sure you as a man get the products that you need to look, feel, and smell great, and on top of that, attract the girls that you want. Bro, we're changing the game. See, from now on, when you subscribe to Heat Grooming every month, you're gonna get a new kit. That kit that Billy's dropping, yo, that's gonna be limited. Only a couple hundred pieces. Once those pieces go, you'll never see them again. Nobody else will ever get them again. And people that are subscribed get first dibs over pro members and over launch day. That's why you want to get ahead of the curve. If I were you, yo, I'd click the link down below. I'd subscribe now so you don't miss it. When you subscribe, you're going to get the body wash, shampoo, and conditioner delivered to you right now. But I'm going to sweeten the pot a little bit. I'm going to gift you our body silicone scrubber. I'm also going to gift you our facial silicone scrubber. And I'm also going to gift you our silicone shower organizer. That entire set's like $150. I'm going to give you that for free. So basically today you're going to subscribe for free and get in early so you don't miss all the launches we're going to do this year because you're going to have first dibs. Yo, I'm telling you, bro, Heat Grooming this year, it's going to explode and your shower game is going to go to the next level. If you guys want to subscribe today, basically for free, click that link down below. Number 4, dressing well. Dressing well, it's all about effort. Dressing well is all about respect, about showing respect to others. And so many men don't put in that effort. So many men just wake up, throw on whatever, and go out the door. You want to put that little bit of extra effort every single day because not only will you feel better, it's going to make you attractive. And see, with men, the bar is set so low, like it's actually not that difficult. If you just stick to basics, your hoodies, your t-shirts, your simple button downs, a pair of jeans, you can mix and match all day with just basics. Don't worry about branding. Don't worry about trends. Don't worry about color palettes. Stick to those basics. You won't even think about it. You'll just grab a couple pieces. You know they fit right. You're out the door. You're going to look great every day. Number 5, having money. This can change your attractiveness as a man, because a man with resources is usually a man of status, is a man that's coveted. They're far and few in between. Like, I think people that make over 100K in the US that are single, it's like less than 5%. That is a lot of money, by the way. And the only way to get there, there's no shortcut. I'll be honest with you, there's no shortcut. I wanted to put like a hack or a trick or something where like, there isn't. I got nothing. I really sat for hours trying to figure something out to put in this tip. There's nothing. The only thing I can tell you is reality. You have to change your mindset, right? You know you have to be a rich man, or not a rich man, but at least well off, financially independent, not have to worry about it. And the only thing I can tell you is it will take you a long time. Change your mindset. Don't think, man, I want to make 100 grand next year, right? Shoot, if you do it, that's amazing. I'm not saying you won't be able to, but I want you to change your mindset so you don't get discouraged. I want you to change your mindset to say, if, I want to make $250,000 in my life, all right, I'm going to work at it for the next 5 years. I'm going to work on it for the next 10 years. That way, when it doesn't happen next year, which the chances of it happening are very low, statistically speaking, or the year following, you don't get discouraged and understand that this is a long game you're playing of acquiring skills, of failing, of learning until you finally get it, how to get to the financial point that you want to get, which ultimately takes me to number 6, being charismatic. Look, if you listen to my entire video right now, you're going to have better facial structure. You're going to be taller. You're going to dress better. You're going to smell better. You're going to be rich. Off the rip, you're probably already a 6, 7 on the scale of attractiveness. But if you're awkward, it doesn't matter. Like, if you're just still that weird, nerdy, awkward type of dude that can't talk to anyone, it won't matter. It won't matter whatever you built up, because you won't be able to communicate. You're going to ruin everything as soon as you open your mouth. It is important to practice. The only way to build up your charisma is to practice. You got to go out. And this will be your hardest task, especially if you're introverted or you're shy. You have to go out. You have to force yourself to randomly talk to different girls on the street, in the coffee shops. I've told you this, in the gym, in the library. I don't care where you go. I don't care if you didn't even go to that college campus. Go and randomly talk to people. The first 30 times, the first 30 conversations will be absolutely awkward. The more you force yourself to do it on a daily basis, you're going to understand body language. You're going to understand how to talk and control your tonality to make others feel comfortable and engaged. That's how you start building your charisma. There's no shortcut. You need practice.